Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on number system. In today's lecture, we are going to learn hexadecimal to decimal conversion in a very simple and a professional way. Hexadecimal number system is widely used in computer science, programming, memory addressing, color codes, and digital electronics. So understanding this conversion extremely important for every computer science student. The hexadecimal number system is a base 16 number system, and it uses the digit like 0 to 9 and the letters from A to F. So where you will use this letter? When there is A means 10, B means 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14, and F is 15. Since hexadecimal is a base 16, each position has a power of 16. Hexadecimal place values means for hexadecimal number, the place values are 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2, or 16 to the power 3. Starting from the right hand side, the first digit is 16 to the power 0, second digit is 16 to the power 1, third digit is 16 to the power 3, 2, and so on. Means this is the first place, two place, and third place. Okay. And what is the formula to conversion? To convert hexadecimal to decimal, multiply each digit by its corresponding power of 16. Add all the result together. So let's take one example. Suppose uh, the question is 2a base 16 and we have to convert it to the base 10 number system. So how we'll do that? 2 into 16 to the power 1 plus a. What is the a meaning? A meaning is 10. So 10 into 16 to the power 0. Simple. Now we'll calculate it. 16, that means 32 plus 10, that means it is 42. So that means 42 base 10 in decimal number system is equivalent to the 2a in hexadecimal number system. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose we have to convert um, 1f3 base 16 to decimal. So we have to identify the place value. So what is the place value of 1 is 16 to the power 2. Place value of f 16 to the power 1. Place value of 3 is 16 to the power 0. Simple. And what is the f meaning? F meaning is 15. As simple as that. And now we have to apply the formula. 1 into 16 to the power 2 plus 15 into 16 to the power 1 plus 3 into 16 to the power 0. Now we have to calculate. So 256 um, plus 240 plus 3. So we get 499. So the final answer is 499 base 10 in decimal number system. So 499 in decimal number is equivalent to 1f3 in hexadecimal number system. So a simple trick to remember, we have to replace the letter A to F with the value 10 to 15. And then we have to solve exactly like the positional notation. Yeah, students often make these common mistakes, forgetting the values of A to F, writing wrong powers of 16, and the starting value, the power from left instead of right. So always remember, the power begins from 0 onto the right hand side. Okay, now take one example question. We will more be able to solve it better. So here we have given the BAD. BAD in what? Base 60 number system. That means what? It is an hexadecimal number, and now we have to convert it to the decimal number. Let's solve this. You can pause this video over here and you can try solving by yourself. So this means 11, and this means 10, and this means 13. So 11 into 16 to the power 2 plus 10 into 16 to the power 1 plus 13 into 16 to the power 0. Means 11 into 256 plus 10 into 16 plus 13 into 1. So we get a 2816 plus 160 plus 13. So the answer we get as 2984 base 10. Okay. I hope you understood how to solve this. Now here comes one twist. Here is 57.4. So this is very simple. This will become minus one index, and this will become a zero index, and this will become one index. And if you haven't watched my previous lecture, you go and watch it, because you will find this very similar over there also. I have told that why it is index minus one. So first go and check my playlist on the number system, and the link is given in the description box, and you will also find it in the I button. So 80 plus 7 plus 0.25. So we get 87.25 base 10 number system. So this is how you will solve the hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.